Something that makes me proud to work at KNN is because I have the ability to move up fast. Especially if you are work-driven like myself, they won't look over you at all.
I really like this job, I really do. My favorite part of working here is that I have the resources to actually expand my knowledge in order to grow myself.
I like the fact that when you come in, you can grow within the company. You can actually earn your way and it's not hard.
For me, a home run is to be able to promote somebody from within. As we bring people in at an entry-level position and they demonstrate good work ethic and a willingness to learn, let's move them forward.
All the positions that we have, they have skill levels. We evaluate that every 6 months. If people already have more skills, we change levels. And it's really cool because they will know exactly what they need to learn in order to continue advancement in the company.
You can get your foot in the door here and you can rise. And I've already moved up significantly within the company myself.
I came in as a director of quality and I spent about 6 months doing that and then took on continuous improvement and then started leading a lot of the CapEx projects. You can kind of be tapped to do anything within the group.
I really take great satisfaction in nurturing and mentoring folks to develop and become the best version of themselves in that particular role as they possibly can be.
It's always, hey, do you want to learn this? I'm like, yes. I want to know it all.
Even if you want to learn another department, they're open to that. They're willing to put you somewhere that fits you. When I came in on carousel. Now I'm like a lead coordinator.
We also post all the positions here internally, and we give the opportunity to everybody that is here to at least have an interview and participate in the process.
Our job is to give the employees the tools that they need to be successful, and then the sky's the limit.